Most people sleepwalk through their mornings. They hit snooze. They check their phone. They react. And then they wonder why their life feels stuck. But the elite? They don't start their day like everyone else. They design it. They own it. They command it. How you wake up is a preview of how you show up. And if you can control your morning, you can control your destiny. Let's be real. Most people lose the battle before the day even begins. They hit the alarm 5 times. They scroll TikTok for 40 minutes. They eat junk. They complain. And then they wonder why they can't build a business, crush a workout, or stay focused in class. It's not that they're lazy. It's that they have no system. So here's the question. What do high performers, CEOs, athletes, students at the top of their class, do before the world even wakes up? Wake up discipline. The science of waking up early, cortisol cycles, circadian rhythm. Cold showers, no snooze, breathing exercises. Quotes from Jocko Willink, discipline equals freedom. Mental priming. Visualization, affirmations, meditation. You become what you rehearse in your mind. Guided script, today, I dominate. I create. I grow. Fitness first. 20 to 30 minutes of movement, run, push-ups, gym. Dopamine release plus mental clarity. Real clips of Goggins, C.T. Fletcher, etc. Deep work zone. Start your day with your hardest task. The 90/90/1 rule, first 90 minutes, one thing, 90 days. Amateurs wait to feel motivated. Pros start before they're ready. Clean fuel, clean mind. Nutrition, what billionaires eat in the morning. No sugar, no sludge, no spikes. Green drinks, fasting, hydration tips. The no phone rule. Dopamine detox. Why checking your phone first ruins your focus. Replace with journaling, gratitude, and presence. The gratitude loop. Start with gratitude equals shift your psychology. Morning journaling prompt. Gratitude is the antidote to entitlement. Entrepreneur edge. How founders start their day. Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Sarah Blakely morning habits. Energy, ideas. Execution, excuses. Student advantage. Study routines of top-performing students. How morning planning makes the day 10x more productive. Pomodoro, flashcards, and prepping the brain. Multilingual morning montage. Clips of motivational speakers in Spanish, Portuguese, Hindi, Arabic. Overlaid with music, visuals, subtitles. Show the universality of morning mastery across cultures. You've got a choice every single day. Sleep in and surrender to comfort. Or rise and step into power. Don't wait for motivation. Build momentum. Wake up. Move your body. Speak your vision. Feel your power. Because while the world sleeps, the 1% are building their edge. You think your enemy is time? It's not. Your enemy is distraction. Every notification you answer before 9 a.m. It drains you. Every scroll through comparison, gossip, and drama. It poisons your momentum. The worst part? You don't even see it happening. Because it feels good. But it's killing your purpose, slowly. Make your mornings sacred. Guard them like a lion guards its den. No one gets in. Not until you've taken control of you. Every morning, there are 4 battles. The battle with the bed, comfort versus purpose. The battle with the phone, distraction versus intention. The battle with the mind, excuses versus discipline. The battle with the world, reaction versus domination. Most people lose all 4 before they even leave the house. But you were made to win these battles. And it starts tomorrow. Actually, it starts tonight. Because a powerful morning starts with a prepared night. You don't rise by accident. You rise by design. Your night routine sets the tone. Pushpin, write down tomorrow's 3 biggest wins. Pushpin, pack your gym bag. Pushpin, set your alarm, then move your phone away. Pushpin, review your vision. This isn't cheesy. This is war preparation. Because warriors don't wait for the battle to start. They walk into it ready. Jocko posts his sweaty gym pic before the sun even breaks. Kobe said he trained while his opponents slept. Steve Jobs asked himself every morning, if today were my last, would I still want to do what I'm doing? Greatness leaves clues. You just have to follow the footprints. Even if they lead uphill. Tomorrow is not promised. But it is available. The sun will rise. The alarm will ring. The choice will be yours. Will you stay in bed? Or will you rise as the person you said you would become? Your greatness is not in the future. It begins tomorrow morning. If this fired you up, then imagine what happens when you do this. Every morning. One day, someone will talk about you. They'll say, he was disciplined. She was relentless. They never wasted a morning. Or they'll say nothing. Because you never made an impression. The difference? What you do when no one is watching. What you do before the sun rises. What you do when it's hard. Legacy isn't built in public. Legacy is built in the dark. Motivation fades. But systems don't. Here's how you lock in your routine, even when life hits hard. White heavy checkmark, set a cue, alarm, gym clothes by the bed, glass of water. White heavy checkmark, stack habits, movement, meditation, planning. White heavy checkmark, track it, use a wall calendar, habit app, or whiteboard. White heavy checkmark, make it non-negotiable, no matter how you feel, you execute. Because professionals don't ask, do I feel like it today? They ask, what's the plan? What's next? Too tired? Go anyway. Don't have time? Wake up earlier. Don't know what to do? Learn. There is no excuse that holds up under execution. Every second you make an excuse is a second stolen from your potential. In China, students rise at 5 a.m. to study. In Brazil, fighters run the streets before breakfast. In India, yogis sit in silence as the world wakes. In the U.S., entrepreneurs grind while the city sleeps. Different languages. Same hunger. Greatness speaks in effort. Want to win every day? Install these 5 mental codes. Keycap 1, I am my habits. You rise or fall based on what you do daily. Keycap 2, discomfort is data. The pain? That's growth calling you. Keycap 3, emotion follows motion. Move first, feel better later. Keycap 4, progress beats perfection. Just get 1% better. Keycap 5, I act like the person I want to become. Because one day, you will be. It's easy to feel fired up right now. But can you still feel this when your alarm rings at 4:45 a.m.? Can you feel it? When your muscles ache? When your mind says stop? When no one claps, no one cares, no one notices? That's the challenge. That's the test. Rise and prove it to yourself. Don't just watch motivation. Become motivation. You just finished 8 minutes of transformation. That already makes you rare. But don't stop now. Don't just be inspired, be unstoppable. Subscribe. Watch the next day's video. And most importantly, set your alarm. Lay out your plan. And tomorrow morning, Become the person your future self will thank you for. We'll see you at sunrise.